Hey, what's up guys? It's Spectrum, back here with a brand new video. Quick disclaimer before we get into any of the juicy stuff. If you're not 13 years old, get the fuck off my channel and come back when you're 13. I'm serious about that. If you are 13 and I find out, either I'm going to be sued or your account's going to be deactivated. So either way, it's a lose-lose situation. So get the hell out of here and come back when you're 13. Please and thank you. Now, this is another one of my Spectrum's tips and tricks video. This came unexpected, but in a way it's kind of a good thing because I can let the community know that you cannot do this with your action figures, specifically your SH Figuarts Spider-Man action figures. You cannot rotate them at the elbow. Okay, let me show you why. Take a look inside of here real quick. If you can see that, that is a square peg. You can see that's a square peg right in there, can't you? I'm sure that you can see that. That means it's not meant to be rotated. As you see, it snapped off. And that's what we're left with here is this little piece right here. But yeah, these elbows are not meant to rotate at all. I don't think anyone knows this. I mean, there are probably people who have broken their figures and haven't done videos on it like I am doing right now. But I feel like a majority of people don't know about this because in their articulation sections in their videos, you know, they state that you can rotate the elbows and stuff like that. And I have that in my videos, and that's bad because these are some of my most popular videos, and I'm just freaking out about this because people are going to be like, ah, Spectrum, I broke my figure because of you, ah. And I'm just going to be like, I didn't know, I'm sorry. And yeah, it's just not a good deal. So yeah, if you have this guy or the Homecoming SHF Spider-Man, don't rotate them at the elbow because you will break your figure. I'd noticed that this had got severely loose within the past couple of days, and I picked them up just now. I was actually going to you know, tighten it up with some hardening nail polish, you know, just to get it back to its former glory, and I bent the elbow and it snapped off. Yeah, they're not meant to be rotated because they're not squares, they're rectangles. They're literally rectangles pegged into the arm. They're supposed to be straight, you know, straight down, straight up and down, not sideways or any other direction. Just so you guys know. But, yeah, I'm giving you this video so you don't break your figure like I did, because this is one of my grails. This is one of my most sought after figures, like, of all time, after, not after. And I love this figure to death. But yeah, take it from someone who's broken less than, I want to say less than 10 figures in his toy collecting career from being an adult onward. Don't do this to your figures, please. Alright, that's my video on this. It's kind of messed up that this came out like this, but at least I'm helping out the community somehow, so I'm trying to see the positive here. And I'm probably going to get D-Star to take a look at it and hopefully fix it. My girlfriend suggested that I can, you know, stick a metal, you know, a metal sliver inside of there instead of the peg if I could get the peg out, which is actually not a bad idea either. But yeah. Hopefully this helps you out in some way, shape, or form, and hopefully this helps you save a few dollars. I know I'm going to have to spend 25 to 30 bucks to get this guy fixed up if I can even get it fixed. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next review tomorrow. Have a good one, and follow me on Instagram at spectrum.reviews, and my Facebook link is in the description below. Catch you guys later. Peace!